I'm out here in my parking lot. The snow is literally up to almost over my knees at least here. 32 inches of snow reported here in Cranston, Rhode Island. The snow is over my knees as I had to make my way out the door. As you can see, the trail I left to come out my door there. Snow all the way up to the door. Only the plows are on the streets right now. Nothing else. Here's my car all full of snow. This beat out the blizzard of 78 here in Rhode Island. Blizzard 78, we had 28 inches, and right now we have 32 inches and counting. Still coming down here, probably till about 6 p.m. tonight. We're going to keep getting snow. All right, please like and subscribe. Thank you.